Want to buy your first tax lien but don't know where to start? This step-by-step guide will walk you through it. Welcome back. I'm Rob, the tax lien investment guy, and today I'll show you exactly how to buy a tax lien in Georgia from research to auction day. Whether you're looking for passive income or a smart way to enter real estate investing, understanding tax liens is a great way to get started. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip that could help you maximize your returns. In Georgia, tax lien investing follows a redeemable tax deed system, meaning you're not just buying a lien, you're purchasing a deed with a redemption period. After purchasing a redeemable tax deed, the owner has 1 year to redeem it by paying the taxes plus a mandatory 20% penalty. If the property owner does not redeem it within a year, you can initiate foreclosure procedures and take ownership of the property. Tax lien auctions in Georgia happen at the county level and are usually held on the first Tuesday of each month at the county courthouse. To find upcoming auctions, you can check the County Tax Commissioner's website, local newspaper listings where counties are required to advertise sales in advance, or the Georgia Superior Court Clerk's Cooperative Authority website. So, how should you research before bidding? Well, first check the tax records by visiting the county tax assessor's website to see tax history and property details. You can visit the property in person. If possible, you should do a drive-by to check for signs of neglect or occupancy. Also, make sure to check for other liens or encumbrances, and make sure to search mortgages, judgments, and other claims against the property. Lastly, verify zoning and land use by ensuring the property meets your investment goals by checking zoning regulations. Now let's talk about bidding strategies. Set a budget and stick to it. Overbidding reduces your return on investment. Make sure you understand the competition. Larger counties may have more investors, leading to higher bids. Prioritize properties with the highest likelihood of redemption. This ensures you earn a quick 20% return rather than waiting for foreclosure. And make sure to bring certified funds. Most counties require full payment immediately after bidding. And that's it. A complete breakdown of how to buy your first tax lien in Georgia. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more real estate investing insights.